Hello viewers, today we're delving into the fascinating world of whiteboard animation. Join me as we explore the magic of storytelling through hand-drawn illustrations and dynamic concepts. From unlocking secrets to simplifying complex ideas, our whiteboard is a canvas of endless possibilities. If you're ready for an engaging visual journey, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a voyage where ideas come to life. Welcome to my channel How To, where the power of the pen meets the canvas of curiosity. Let the whiteboard adventures begin. Go to Google and type Video Scribe Sign Up. Click on first link. Use free trial version. Fill up your data. Click on Create your free account. Time to login account. Click on Create new project. Select size for video. Here we select 16.9. Name your project, then click Create Project. Here the interface. Here you are looking scenes. You can add more numbers of scenes. Now come to background colors. Here we have two options, default and custom. You can change color on your choice, but according to video title, we select white color. Enter some text. Click here. We type how to create whiteboard video and place here. Now click on images, select image. Man working on computer, select image. You can also upload your own images like this logo. Again, add another image related to birth date. Select another image of building. Also select arrow image. Place these images in sequence according to your project. Make sure these all picture come in between boundary camera like this. The major thing is to place these pictures according to your script steps. Now see a preview of this worksheet. Look on images, force text, then a building, then arrow, then a man on computer, then logo, then 3 characters, and in last birth date. Now tool properties. These all options will be used on both text and images.
Also can change the front style. Size will also be adjusted, and other settings. Text color can also be changed. From animation, you can change drawing style. Here are some options like hand draw, pen draw, and more. You see here. Duration of drawing animations also be adjustable.
You could also adjust the pause duration between all image animations. Audios will also be uploaded, but these audio will use in paid version. Hope you understand the overview about creating whiteboard animated video tutorial. Thanks for watching.